Let's see how to install the Tenda cp7 IP camera via Wi-Fi. There is a reset button and a micro SD card slot. Now connect the micro SD card to your CCTV camera. Then connect the power adapter line. Then the CCTV camera will be rotated 360 degrees. Then go to Mobile and install the tenda application from Google Play Store. Now select your country. Then enter your Gmail account. Now verify your email address. Then go to email and remember the OTP. Create a password now. Now select your Wi-Fi and enter the Wi-Fi password. Then place the CCTV camera and mobile facing each other. Now your tender's CCTV camera is working.